I've been told I'm a natural heater.
Yeah, it's
You know how some people have to buy space heaters? I am a space heater. You felt it.
I did,
You
because
felt it in
we
the
slept
Hamptons.
together in the Hamptons.
We snuggled.
But not only
I felt your talon claw. That's what I felt.
was
You were
scratching?
scratching me with a
yeah.
sword of a toenail.
I was hitting your kid. It's all right. That was a little peanut butter in there.
Oh.
A little peanut butter jelly jam. Aunt Jemima get canceled. I was scratching my my toenail on your Achilles tendon. I was making you feel like Kobe Bryant in 2013.
Okay.